How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite some time, but right now I am sitting in my new daily driver. And before any of you guys do ask, yes, I still do have the Mustang, but I figured I'd go ahead and show off this new vehicle a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop out and let you guys check it out. Figured I'd go ahead and show off the new vehicle. Now, it is extremely dirty right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a backstory on this thing. So I've been looking at some trucks recently. I've been looking at some Platinums, and I've actually went and looked at a few, but some of them have been rusted out or the dealer just wanted too much or something. I'm sure everybody knows the truck market is just absolutely stupid right now, and it's impossible to find anything for the right price and the right price that I was willing to pay. So this is what I ended up with. This was my dad's truck, if you guys have ever seen in the background of the videos or anything. But first off, I will say no, he did not give it to me. I did buy it. I'm not as fortunate as every other kid that seems to be handed everything, but it makes me more proud of myself. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the specs of it and everything, and some of the stuff that's already done to it, and maybe my future plans of it. This does feel really weird filming a video because it's been quite some time, but you can tell it is a really nice truck and it's already set up pretty nice, but obviously I still want to do some stuff to it. So this is a 2015 XLT, but it is a sport, so it does have all the key options that you would want on any other truck. So it does have the paint matched bumpers, and then it has paint matched door handles, and as far as that on the exterior, I think that's the only thing that's a little bit different. You can still see it has the paint match bumper on the back too. And if you got on the inside, it is a cloth interior, but I personally think that this cloth looks way better in person than it does in photos. Now, you still do get the twin panel moonroof or whatever you call those, and luckily I did end up getting some Husky mats already that he already had those. And like I said, it's extremely dirty, so try not to pay attention to that. I get the 8-inch screen, and it is a Sync 2 since it's a 2015, so it's not as good as the new one. But like I said, got the Husky mats and the sunroof, so it's a really nice truck. And obviously you got all the options with the in here. You got heated seats. You don't have cooled, but that's really the only thing I'm missing. Now, compared to the Platinums still have like ambient light and everything, so I don't get that. And obviously, like the door cards, they're not as nice, but I mean, you clean these up a little bit, I mean, they'll look just fine. Obviously, it's not the exact truck that I was looking at, but it is still F150, and that's what I was really wanting. My main concern was a daily driver, and it's really something to just keep miles off the other car. And I'm not gonna lie, I get tired of driving that thing, even though most of my driving is in a Ford Transit, but it's still nice to have something like this. So this is the EcoBoost. It is not the 5.0, which is kind of a downside because the EcoBoost aren't really the best motors, but I mean, hopefully I don't have any issues with it. Now, the cool thing about this truck is it is already, I think, a 2.5-inch level. Not 100% sure, and I'm not sure what brand it is. It does have some decent tires. I mean, it's not my choice. This is what my dad threw on it, and I'll probably throw some different tires on it whenever these get worn out. As of right now, I just plan on driving this thing. I do have some stuff that I want to do to it, but I'm not trying to get too heavy into modifying it and spending tons of money on it. As far as the back, it does have a decent bed cover. It's not a hard bed cover, but it is still a really nice one. And then I already have some really nice bed liner, and it has lights and everything in here that you can see at night. It does have the step right there if you need to get into it. I would probably like to eventually throw some fender liner in the rear, just because I don't know why Ford does not do that on any of their trucks anymore. Even the Platinums, they don't do it. Sadly, the sport wheels are pilling, but they're notorious for that. So whenever I do get new tires, I'm gonna end up just repowder coating these, honestly. I'm probably gonna throw like a set of graps on there, or some kind of Toyos or something. Not really sure. And then I do need to throw some new brake pads on it eventually. It does come with the sliding rear glass in the back too, so that is really nice. And it already has, like, I'm pretty positive it's like 5% tint all around the truck. like I said, it's extremely dirty, which sucks, but it's been raining so much here and I've been driving it, you can tell, I mean, you can't like see in it at all. And I would maybe do some paint match mirrors, not really sure. You still get the LED lights in those, so that's cool. The front comes some really baller headlights. I think these are Morimoto, and I mean, for a set of these, it's like anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000. Now they do need to be cleaned up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to restore them. And the fog lights, they're obviously shot, but I mean, it's a 10-year-old truck, you can't really expect it to be perfect. And my dad was the same way. He didn't really want to put any money into it, but since it's my first truck, I'm probably gonna try to make it nice without spending tons of money. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this grill, but I think whenever I clean it up and get it perfect, I think I'll be happy with it for the time being. Worst case, I could paint match it, or I could just throw in a like platinum grill or something and paint it black. It'd look a lot better. But as far as my plans, I mean, I'm just gonna clean the truck up a lot, and then I'm gonna get the wheels refinished eventually with some nicer tires. Probably won't do spacers because I don't really want rock chips everywhere. And then I need to do some more tint eventually. This tint isn't the best. I mean, it's lasted a long time. It probably doesn't really portray on camera. I mean, it's fine. It's just, it's not as nice as the tint that's on my Mustang. And the truck was already tinted whenever he had it. I'm gonna probably throw some tint on the windshield, maybe, not 100% sure. I mean, other than that, I'm probably just gonna drive the thing. I mean, it's a really nice truck as it is already. And I mean, I'm proud of myself because I don't get handouts or anything. So I'm happy to have this, and I'm gonna have the Bubba setup, if you wanna call it. A lot of people always do that, but it's just gonna have like 35-inch tires on these wheels, hopefully refinished. If not, who knows, I might try to get some different wheels eventually. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much the new ride as of right now. I don't really have any plans with the Mustang anytime soon, but hopefully I will be purchasing some land here soon. And who knows, I mean, I've been looking at like four-wheelers and some side-by-sides too, so I could always be getting into that stuff. But I'm just getting a little tired of the new edge stuff. I've been doing it for the last 6 years. I think I've owned the car for 6 years. I haven't been filming it, but I've just been doing stuff constantly, so it does get a little bit boring always trying to make videos on that car, especially whenever I'm just kind of happy with where it's at. I mean, it's just a reliable, fun cruiser. And now, I mean, I guess I have a daily driver that's really nice, but I'm gonna still do some more stuff to it. It's just funny because I was looking at some F-150 Platinums and I wasn't a huge fan of limiteds. I went and looked at a 2018 F-150 Platinum. It was gray, already leveled on 35s and everything, so it was really nice, but the frame was rusted. And I don't know, I mean, I drove an hour and a half to look at it. Basically, I was there for about like 10 minutes, and then obviously I turned around because it wasn't a nice truck. But this one is really clean. I know the history because my dad had it for a while, and he actually ended up buying a steel body 6.7, so that's always a nice truck. And it's funny because I was looking at diesels just because F-150s are so hard to find, especially in the 5.0 version, because I don't really love the EcoBoost motors. But hopefully with it having a little bit of history with us, hopefully it'll, knock on wood, stay alive. But I was looking at some Cummins and I was really thinking about getting one, and I just ended up with this because he ended up going to buy that truck. So I told him I'd buy it from him because I know it and it's a really nice truck. But I will show you guys some of the features on the inside, I guess. If I go ahead and put the key in, I mean, you can see it's a sync too, so it's not necessarily the best. It'll probably connect my phone, but I mean, you have all your different features in here and everything. Now the door speakers, I will have to replace those eventually, and I'll probably put some subs back there under the seat. All right, so I guess it is pretty much all I'm gonna film of the truck, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive on back to the house, and I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the Mustang and show you guys just how that car's been doing and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys back at the house. So like I said, I do still have the car, and it is pretty much the exact same way. I haven't really driven it that much. I just figured I would still show it to you guys. Sorry, the garage is like an absolute mess right now. But I mean, it's still a very clean car and still very fun to drive. Haven't really done too much with it. I did take it out earlier today, and it is a lot more fun now that I don't drive it every day to go drive it around and put around in it. Like I said, I am very happy with the way it is right now, so I'm not sure if I will be doing anything to it anytime soon. I don't really think, other than like some maintenance stuff here and there, just more spark plugs and coil packs and everything. I'd like to do good tune-up on it. Oil needs change, but I don't really drive it that much right now, so it's not a huge priority to me. But figured I'd still show it to you guys because I know that's what this channel is based off of. Hope you guys did enjoy, and hopefully I will be putting out some truck content a little bit here and there, and maybe I'll get this thing out more and try to drive it around and stuff. Just been really busy, and YouTube's not really my priority, but I still do want to get back into it. Other than that, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.